Wow.
If we gon' cuff that bitch, gotta make sure that her head right. Everything on is slipping at the red light. These niggas been capping, I can't do that shit no more. We can't be around rich no more. Hit it one time, I can't even fuck no more.
It's loud out there. Wow.
It's a little bit different than it was.
You got a lot. I remember last time I saw it, you had one of them and it was only ported. Now you got like a fourth order with a back. Dude, it's
Sixth order.
sixth. Oh, it's a sixth. Oh, I see it now. You couldn't see it at first. Wow.
That's awesome that you remember, dude.
Oh yeah, dude, it's crazy. But I remember because I love Fi SP4s too. SP4 is my favorite sub. Awesome. Yeah, man. So what all's in here real quick, equipment wise?
I got two SP4s with brand new Recones. I got 45 amp hours, a C-Max Lithium, Unrio 5K. Underneath there is a FSD 125.4.
Okay.
Running active on some mid to highs, man.
Okay. How much lithium?
45 amp
45. Okay. I like how you got it mounted. It's pretty cool. What was the tuning of this box?
20, 25 and 50.
Oh.
And the ratio is about 1 to 1.6.
Okay.
It's a tight ratio for,
Yeah.
for musicality.
Yes, sir. Okay. Did you meter it yet?
No,
Okay.
Wow.
Big jump, dude. And it's really musical. You can tell the bandwidth it likes the lows and the highs. Yeah, man. Awesome. I appreciate the demo, man. Nice to meet you again. Great upgrade.
Thanks, man.
Yes, sir.
You again.
Yes, sir. What was your name for the video?
Bob.
Bob. Jacob.
the Builder.
Bob the Builder. That's right. All right.
Keep doing what you do, bro.
Thank you.
Was I hiding in cool? Was I hiding my bag? Yeah, I didn't know it. Gotta get this money, you can't let it change you, but I can't hide it.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.